Welcome everyone. Today we will explore a simple way to manage the appearance of your Windows 11 desktop by hiding widgets. Widgets can sometimes clutter your screen or distract you from important tasks. First, begin by right-clicking on the Start icon located at the bottom. Next, from the menu that appears, click on Settings. Then, in the Settings menu, select Personalization. Then, within the Personalization menu, locate and select Taskbar from the list on the left side. To hide the widgets from your taskbar, simply toggle the switch next to Widgets to the off position. You will notice that the Widgets icon disappears immediately, giving your desktop a cleaner look. If you found this guide useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful Windows 11 tips.